Welcome to Bombshell Bytes. I'm Dominiqué Williams-Blair, and today we're going to make shish kebabs. We're going to try it in the air fryer. So what you need to do is measure out your little bamboo sticks, the skewers that you're going to use, and make sure you pre-soak them, just like you would do if you were on a grill. And soak that at least 15 minutes. And you don't want to keep this out too long, because again, once you're cooking, this will dry out and burn. Don't want that. So we have chicken. These were large bell peppers, onions that I quartered. So I cut them in quarters and then just peeled layer by layer. So lemon, paprika, parsley, thyme, and olive oil. And we're gonna do salt and pepper to taste. So we'll start off with the olive oil. And then just put the rest of the seasonings in. We're gonna do the lemon last. Not last as the arrangement, but last as far as the seasoning. We're gonna let it marinate after we mix it up a bit. And I cut these into little chunks. They're not completely even, but it'll work. You want to get them as close to even as possible. You only need about a half a lemon. So I have about a pound of meat, but you see like the lemon is very juicy. And just let it sit, not too long though, just for a few minutes. When I say few, I mean like two or three. Like, we don't want the citrus to cook the meat too much. So a few minutes pass. This is what we're gonna do. And create a system. I actually should move it whether you're left-handed or right, whichever works best for you to pass and assemble. And take the meat. This is super simple. I'm just layering it together. This was one of my favorite things, like when I was little. We'd have barbecues to have this shish kebabs. And I just liked how colorful they were, and then like the flavor would really, I probably need tongs because it's like not it. I do not like stab and go. Like pushing through, yep. We're gonna actually put them right in the air fryer. And as you can see, it can fit if you cut it right. And you can put more meat on yours. But you get the drift. Just going back and forth. And if there are other vegetables that you like to place on there, it's like, you know, go for it. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna place it in the air fryer. I'm always about to say oven. I mean, you can do that too. I would put it on broil. That's another option, to take these and broil them. And this is the final result of the air fryer. It's thoroughly cooked. You had to flip it, of course, so you can get grill-like results. Is that okay?